Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be making an ultrasound sensor for this session. The parts you are going to need are the Arduino Uno, a breadboard, an active or passive buzzer, jumper wires, female to male DuPont wires, an ultrasound sensor, and resistors. Firstly, place one of your resistors on the breadboard. Remember to have the resistor legs be usually around 3 slots apart. Next, place 2 of your male to female DuPont wires onto the breadboard. Have one in the same row as the resistor, while the other in an adjacent row. Then, attach your speaker to those DuPont wires. Place the plus end of the speaker into the same wire that is in the same row as the resistor, while place the negative or ground into the one in the adjacent row. Next, just like in session 4, take 2 jumper wires and place the 5 volts in the positive rail, while connect ground to the negative rail. Then, take your ultrasound sensor and place it into those 4 slots there. Take another jumper wire and put it into the digital 8 pin of the Arduino Uno. Place the jumper wire's other end onto the same row as the other leg of the resistor. Now, it's time to explain how an ultrasound sensor works. What an ultrasound sensor does is it sends inaudible sound waves straight forward. In most cases, this sound cannot be heard by the human ear. These sound waves, whenever they hit an object, bounce back to the ultrasound. As a result, the ultrasound can estimate the distance between it and the object. Back to our circuit, take a jumper wire and place it into the same row as the adjacent male to female DuPont wire. Take the other end and place it into the negative rail of the breadboard. Take another jumper wire and place it into the positive rail of the breadboard. Place the other end and place it into the same row as the ground pin of the ultrasound. Take yet another jumper wire and place it into the negative rail of the breadboard. Take the other end of the jumper wire and place it into the same row as the VCC pin of the ultrasound. Take another jumper wire and place it into the digital 7 pin of the Arduino Uno. Take the other end and place it into the same row as the echo pin of the ultrasound. Take one more jumper wire and place it into the digital 6 pin of the Arduino Uno. Take the other end and place it into the same row as the trig pin of the ultrasound. And that is the hardware of your circuit done. Onto the software, the code you're going to need to make it work is this. You may pause if you like to take a moment to look at it. Well, my ultrasound and my Uno overheated. I almost burnt my finger after picking up the ultrasound. But you get the idea, it should work for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was very unexpected, but see you around.